I'm Food Tester Foxy, and here today we have Food Tester Girl Wolfie. I don't know where Food Tester Girl MCs went. Last time I saw her, she was being attacked by a werewolf. So, in this episode, we're going to be making fluffy slime, but it's going to glow in the dark because we're going to use this one. It might work, it might fail. Keep watching to find out. So, this is the baking soda we're going to be using, 1 spoonful, and some contact solution, shaving cream, and our glue. Okay, so let's get this started. I don't know how to do.
Take the cap off.
Take the cap off, weirdo. Is this enough?
Yep.
It's like some... There. Now what do we do?
All the glue.
Oh, you want to move? Okay. Oh, look, it's raining pink. It's raining pink. Foxy. Wolf, what's going on here? Okay, I think that's good. There's some. Get out of the bottle. I think that's good. Yeah, that's enough. That goes stubborn. Okay, so 1 surprise spoonful. Not too much and not too little, or you'll cry. Okay, this is not gonna work. I think that's enough. This is good. Oh, look, it's raining clumps of dry snow. Time to mix. That's good. That's good. Just mix. Just mix.
Not yet.
Later. Oh, guys, look at how pretty this is.
You gotta mix better than that.
I'll mix. No, yeah. This is getting kind of sticky, you guys, already. We're testing out Wolfie. Look at it. Look how pretty this is, you guys. Look at that. Oh! Smells kind of good. Kind of not. It smells like, you guys, this kind of smells like soap or something. This does not smell like soap. It smells horrible. Alright, for just a moment. Okay, so do you think I stirred enough? Is this fine? It's starting to feel kind of thick. This smells really bad, you guys. I think I stirred enough. So it's just like super sticky. It's like the stickiest thing ever.
Couple drops of.
The activator. I like 3 drops. How much drops?
I'll tell you when. Just a little bit. Little more. Little more. 1 more. That's good.
Okay.
See what that does.
Okay, you guys. I think this is actually going to work. And at the end of this video, we're going to turn off the lights. I'm sorry, I look like it's glowing a little bit. Look how beautiful this is, you guys. That color is so pretty, you guys. This is literally going to glow in the dark. Look on the bottle. So we're going to name this the glowing floof slime. Because I like to pronounce fluffy floof. Floofy. So this is going to be the floofy glow slime. And I don't know if anyone made this before. Okay. So you guys, I almost think it's done. I don't know. Does it look done? No. We're going to have to get in with our hands soon, okay? Okay. So let's look at them. Okay. It's starting to get really attached to the spoon, okay? Okay. So you guys, make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more of our channel. If you're already subscribed, then you don't have to subscribe again. But press that like button. Please, please, please. For the children. Oh! And for Testicle Wolfie's existence. And if you want to see more Food Testicle Wolfie. Oh, oh! then like and comment and say hashtag WolfieCool.
Bye.
No, it's not bye. Oh, do we have to get in our hands yet or no?